What's up, my bleeding mother gunners? So every morning I typically get up around 4 a.m. And the first thing I do is I jump on eBay and I see what kind of deals were posted overnight. This is one such deal that I picked up at a phenomenal price. Dude literally posted it up about 3 minutes before I snagged it up, and he had a buy it now price. Super low buy it now price. So I snagged it. What did I snag? The Bark River S-T-S-8. 140 bucks. You can't beat that. Let's go in and crack in this bad boy.
Who the fuck is that guy?
I'm just a pecker who lives in the hills with too many guns.
I don't believe they make these bad boys anymore. Let's go ahead and crack in it. See what we got. There's the sheath. Bad boy. Love that Kydex. Let's take a look at that. You didn't come here for the sheath, you came here for the knife. Let's go and check this bad boy out. So this was advertised as unused, brand new, in box. One of the things I knew buying this, that the hardware was a bit rusted. Because again, this is an older model, 154 CM. As you can see, the blade has not been used at all. Still has a factory edge. Very thick blade. So I knew getting this that the hardware was rusted out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the hardware, sandblast it, and repaint it. Pull the screws out. That's an easy fix. 140 bucks. I wasn't blinking at that. Or I could just set it back in the Bark River and have them tune it up and all that, but yeah, back in the day, this was the thickest chunk of 154 CM that you could get. Might still be, not sure. All I know is they don't produce these anymore. But yeah, the Bark River S-T-S-8 is a thick one. In hand, oh yeah, that's what we're looking at.
Fuck it! Who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is that? Oh my god.
Yo, thanks for watching this shit.
Let's go, Brandon.
FJB.